Alright guys, currently taking delivery. We're not taking delivery, but the 240 is on its way. We're gonna meet the tow truck there. So Leo, are you hyped? Are you hyped? Your phone?
Yeah. I want to take a picture of it when the car's on the tow truck.
Alright guys, just got to Leo's house. David's already here waiting. And guys, David didn't even know we're pulling it with the 240.
I thought you guys were talking about the Nissan. I don't know why.
I told him we're messing with the 240. He thought the Sentra that was inside. But yeah, guys, David, here's the 240. We're gonna have to push it in right now.
Huh?
We're gonna have to push it in right now.
Yeah, I told him just leave it right there.
Alright.
The shells aren't even that bad.
Alright guys, it's finally here.
I mean, it's just
The 240 SX, the new project for Leo. It's finally here. It's at home. Civic is gone. Here it is, guys. It's gonna need a lot of work, but that's what's gonna make it fun. That's really what's gonna make it fun. David, don't be sad. We have a freaking 240, bro. Yes, the Civic is
I know,
gone.
but I think hatch,
Look,
you know, like EF hatch, I think Leo.
But he has another hatchback.
Nah, you're right.
And it's rear-wheel drive now.
It's better.
Yeah. Hey, should we?
How?
What?
Wait, how? One more time.
I got another fucking
That shit hella sturdy. Hey, should we pop open the hood, Leo, and show them what engine we're working with?
Alright.
Oof. Oof. Dave, are you ready? You ready for this engine?
You ready?
Unreal.
So it is a rolling shell, but that just means the engine possibilities are now endless. We only gotta take out the stock K. It's, look at all this room, guys. But the good thing, guys, is Leo still has to sell all those parts, so all that money is gonna go right back into here.
Bro, within like the past 30 minutes, I posted that picture. There's like 14 unread messages, and now there's like 7 that I need to send requests.
We haven't even uploaded the video yet, guys. But I mean, I can see why, you know, people like the hatch. I like the hatch. It was a fucking dope car. But this is gonna be even doper. Leo, how hyped are you, bro? You have a 240 sitting in your driveway. An S13. Was it pig nose, right?
Yeah, it is a pig nose.
Pig
It has a
nose.
bumper in the trunk. Surprisingly.
See, guys, we weren't lying. It's a hatchback. Ugh. There's the bumper.
It's kind of ripped.
Oh. Oh, well, there goes the bumper.
I have back seats now.
You do have back seats. Hey. Boom.
Somewhat back seats.
You gonna keep them?
Yeah. I
Hey.
do want interior in this car.
Hey, you can take the whole squad tandeming.
Yeah. I feel like these wheels look so badass on the car.
They would. They would. But you could get adapters, right?
Yeah.
Guys, here's the first mod to the 240. Elliot, what do you think? Like right here? What do you think, bro? I think it looks sick. Oh shit, bumpers on?
Like the whole thing.
David, you know what I was thinking about right now?
What?
What if we paint the Steelies white?
White on white?
White on white, bro. I feel like we'll be doing Leo a favor.
Yeah, low key, huh?
That show looks sick, dude.
Let's do it.
I don't think anyone's done that before.
Nah.
Like, white Steelies? Like, shit, dude. Actually, I did see a YouTube channel one time, dude. That had
Really?
a red Civic with the primered black hood.
Oh.
And that they classy dipped the Steelies white.
Did it look good?
It looked pretty cool. I think their channel is called
Broke what?
Broken Bracubis.
Oh, Bracobis?
Already giving the base some TLC.
I just want to clean it for now.
Yeah. You say you want to respray it white?
Yeah. Well, it's like
Cream,
it's like an off-white.
Yeah, like off. Ooh, off white. You trying to go all out hype beast, Leo? We could put like a off white right here, like in quotations. We could be like quotation off white, and then you know we could get like a Supreme sticker. You done?
Okay.
All right, guys. I don't think I've showed you Marcel's CRV. He painted it over the weekend.
Hi, David.
Buddy, last time I saw your CRV, it was blue. Now it's gray.
Yeah, it looks like ass.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
No.
I have to ask literally everything.
Look.
Look at all the overs.
Look how nice it looks.
Oh, it does look nice with camera.
Yeah. Yeah. Buddy, where's Joseph at? Don't you work with the guy?
Yeah, he says he's gonna come over after you shower, so it's probably.
Like 9? What
What time is it now? 5:25. He gets home probably like 5:30ish. Takes his clothes off, watches a little Netflix for about an hour. Probably accidentally falls asleep, wakes up, takes a shower. Texts us he's about to leave. Might accidentally fall asleep again. Probably like 9:45 maybe. 10:20.
That sounds good. That sounds good. What happened? What happened, dude?
Oh shit, Ragu.
What happened? What happened? Shh. No. No. Wait, my son, come here. You come here first. Come here, no, come here. Come here. Get the fuck over. Alright. What?
Remember Rob Dyrdek's brand?
Yeah.
Back in like 2007?
Yeah.
Ragu.
No, I got something better. Oh, Leo's in the way.
This car gotta go.
I'm so sad I didn't record that reaction.
Are you serious?
I didn't push record.
Oh my.
Let's fake it real quick.
Nah, I'm not looking at that shit.
Yeah, dude, I don't know what I've been doing that recently, guys, but let's just say Marcel saw the endings and it looked good.
Bro, that whole clip would have been fucking hilarious.
Yeah, I know. Guys, I hear an IS coming. Did you hear an IS coming?
Yeah.
But which one is it though? I'm gonna say Brian. Shit.
It's Brian.
Wait, Hatch. Leo, I thought you got rid of the hatch. What? Nah. If you make this, bro, you're a legend. Bro, if you get this, you're a legend. Okay, I guess he does have a lot of space. Never mind, guys. I thought you had less space. You're good. You got this. Is that Jesus? That everyone just pulled up this.
Yo mama? Yo daddy?
At my house right now. Butt ass nigga.
No, she not.
Slap that ass.
Hey, like I said earlier,
The hammer on her.
you ain't got no hammer.
Oh yes.
I didn't know
mama built it.
I didn't know your mom
Your
made
mama built it.
your mom made a water park amusement for herself.
Man, that pussy gonna be cremated out tonight.
Hey, how much are coffins?
About more than your mama.
Sure.
Yeah.
I might need a down payment one after I murdered your mama's pussy. I told you.
Whatever.
I know my boyfriend's cars. How many boyfriends you got? Wait, 7. Oh, wait.
Just got off work.
Yeah.
How was work? Damn, don't even want to talk about it.
He didn't even say shit.
I don't want. You and your mama. You and your mama.
Is he bothering you?
Yeah. Do something, Andy.
I'll play you skate for Jesus' heart.
How about his mama?
No.
Why? You afraid
No.
I'm gonna win?
Hey, if I won, I'll treat her right. You know that.
All right, fine.
If I win, I'm just gonna smash again.
Smash your mama twice on Tuesdays.
Hey, do a kickflip for subscribers.
Stationary?
Stationary.
Alright.
Yeah, I saw the pop on that though. Okay.
No, I can't, dude. This
Hey.
thing it's too skinny, man. You know I like everything thick. Hey, Jesus' mama.
Damn.
Oh, you were. I didn't even know you were.
Damn. Wait, one more time. I gotta do the proper fade. Wow.
What happened?
I'm sorry. Can I get a reader?
Hey. See that right there? Hey, fuck you, Jesus. Fuck you. Dangerous.
Hey, Jesus, what the fuck, dude?
Close.
Get his ass.
Is that Jose?
This is why we be screaming in the middle.
And now it's sitting in my garage.
Hey, already sticker bombing it? On some shit. That's the no jumper sticker, right?
Yeah.
You stoked, bro?
Yeah. Can't wait to start working on it.
Yeah, I'm just surprised you have brand new taillights.
Oh yeah, I know. Huh?
They just like pop, like they're so clean. Yeah, guys, so Leo started cleaning it earlier, but tomorrow we're gonna go register it. And guys, the tags are unknown. Well, how much they exactly owe?
It's 3 years. So.
3 years. Yeah, it shouldn't be too
But
bad.
the thing is, so it's 3 years, but the previous owner paid the tags maybe.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if they paid it in full.
Uh-huh.
So it's that's a mystery because it doesn't pop up.
Ah, okay.
And then yeah, fuck it, whatever.
Guess we'll see, guys. What time are you going? I'll go with you.
In the morning, because I gotta go pay tax for another truck.
Oh, fuck. Well, I'm off by like 9, so.
I was gonna go like when they open.
Yeah, fuck. I'll wait for you then.
Alright, for sure.
So what's the first mod?
Space in the driveway.
Cut springs, no.
Cut springs? Hey, he has the on some shit sticker, but there's a better sticker hidden, Joey. Hey, Joey, you wanna see the best sticker of all? Just open the door, bro, and just look in the door jam.
No, wait. There's that right there.
Yeah.
Behind the line.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this, Joey?
Squat down. Focus right here, alright?
And these, bro.
That's disrespect if you thought he put that on there.
Jose? What, bro? What's up?
I've been in the cave, man. Just fucking editing, bro.
Dude, I don't think you've been in the vlog in probably a good month, maybe.
Oh wow, I know.
Month,
I know.
maybe.
I was at that point.
Yeah.
Always at that point.
No.
Always at that
No,
point.
basically.
Vlog,
Yeah, well, it's been a.
My name's not dead.
I've been here for a bit.
What's up?
Hey, like I said, my vlogs are coming back, but they're gonna be a little different.
Oh shit. Oh my dad.
Marcel, Jesus, I feel like,
Yeah, I think excluding the
guys,
right
I
before-
feel like today might have broken history in Leo's block. So we got one IS way over there, so that's one car. We got 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna count you in. I'm gonna count you in, bro. We got 2 more right there, which is technically like 10, 11. Come here, dude.
Look at this. We've always talked about having a 240.
Guys,
Like since high
yeah,
school.
back in high school, a 240 was like, oh my god, I wanted
You
one
wanted
so
the
bad. I
S13,
wanted one
like,
so
you
bad.
wanted
Like
the
a red, I had a red wallpaper. Remember that? I had a red one as my. It's on Instagram actually, but yeah, I always talked about it.
Hey look, it's Jesus' mama, me diving into that.
I'm so hyped to see what Leo does. I'm so
It's gonna be
hyped.
crazy.
Fuck, man. I want to get rid of my Civic now. Let's do it. Let's get rid of our Civics
Together, combined,
together at the same
and then
time.
we'll add cash to get one.
Just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna sell mine. I want to, but I can't.
Nah, I think you should.
What?
I agree.
What about? Are you gonna sell yours?
No.
What the I see the car with the hood down with the pop-up headlights. Because they've been down the whole time, right?
Yeah.
I can't look at this. Why?
That looks fucking dope. Is this the first pop-up headlight car in the squad? It is, right?
No, Dom.
Dom, what do you
It's
have?
Maserati.
A little late to the party, buddy.
I know, but I'm here.
You are here. Fashionably late, I like that.
Thank you.
So see, you just pulled up and you just flexed on all of us now, so. What happened?
Ripped off when I was leaving my house.
Ew. Joseph.
What?
Damn, Art. You know what? Fuck, Art, my bad, bro, my bad. What happened to the wheels? You're gonna paint them again? No, the other
I
ones.
was gonna look at.
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like I shouldn't get them. Because he said that they're cracked. I mean, that they're curb rash.
Oh yeah, that
But
picture you sent.
it-
So I'm about to go pick up some food for the squad. I'm gonna get some Little Caesars, you already know. But yeah, that's it for today's vlog, guys. The fucking 240.
To get some pizza.
The 240 is here at home, guys. I'm gonna get the pizza right now. But yeah, I mean, guys, comment down below if you prefer the hatch or if you prefer the 240.
Penny should get some pizza right now.
Hey, I'm going.
Hey, comment down below if Leo should get adapters for these wheels, even though he doesn't like them. But look at this. Look.
I like the wheels, I just don't like adapters.
That's what I'm saying. You don't like adapters, but look at this. Wait, hold on. Wait. You look at it. You look at it.